Yeah.
Pulling back from Main at 6725 32nd Avenue Northwest. But I think I called Dwayne when I went out to the van to grab my thing. He called me, and he's not very far away, so he might swing by here and take a look while I'm here. Be able to locate stuff and kind of give you an idea of what it costs to fix it.
So that's also lining.
Yes.
So when
in between, it looks like in between the two PVC repairs, which I don't know where. I know one of them is at the property line where that cleanout is, but I don't know where the other one is. He can tell you where the other one is because he can locate and I can't locate.
You're saying he can see where Aurora did? Or
yeah, he can walk out there with his little wand and pick up where the head of the camera is and tell you where it's at and how deep it is. That kind of thing.
I guess I'm asking what did Aurora do? What did they line?
In between the two PVC cleanouts. Which, did they go out in the street? Did they dig a hole in the street?
I don't think so. Yeah. No, they dug a hole in my yard, where the rocker is.
Only one hole?
As far as I remember. Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah. Right where the pipe's going, that's where they dug. For the two homes. I think they dug in the street.
How long ago was that?